Get a feel for the 2023 Honda Passport. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.